Okay, when factorizing, you're going to look for the highest common factor in the numbers and the letters. So in the numbers, the highest common factor is 3. And letter, which is common in both of them, is y. Then you introduce a bracket. Well, 3 times what will give me 9? Well, 3 times 3. What else is missing? Well, I've got a y there, and I want that to be y cubed, so I'm missing a y squared. In the next one, first of all, put the minus sign, which splits them. What do I times 3y to give me 6y? Well, it's just 2. And that is it. There's nothing more than that to do. Now, this one, you just got to be careful. Now, you've done this probably different methods, but the way I teach it is, first of all, we times those two numbers together. So 3 times 7 is 21. And then you split up 21 to see how can I times two numbers to make 21, and then also add up to make minus 22. Well, the only way you can do that is splitting that into 1 times 21, but they've got to be both negative, and then they will add up to make minus 22. So you get 3x squared, replace minus 22 with minus 1x, minus 21x, and plus 7. That's the first thing to do. That expression is the same as this. The only difference is I've split 22 into minus 1 and minus 21. The reason why I've done that is you now can factorize. You should be able to factorize this side and this side and come out with a common factor. If you come out with a common factor, happy days, we've done it right. If we don't come out with a common factor in this, we need to go back and look if we've done it right or wrong. So the first thing to factorize this is to take an x out. That's the only common thing in these two. Take the x out, that will end up with 3x minus 1. And in here, you can take the 7, okay? You can take the 7 out. So if I take a 7 out, we'll take a minus 7 out, actually. Minus 7 times 3x will give me minus 21. And minus 7 times minus 1, 2 negatives make a positive, will give me that. There's my common factor. So then I'll take that common factor out, 3x minus 1. So if I take this common factor out, I'm left all that's been times by x and all that's been times by minus 7. So that will be factorized.